Hi, it's Dr. Steph.
And it's Dr. Jen, and we thought we would give you a tour of our office today so you'll know exactly what to expect when you arrive at our office. So
Come with me.
come on in.
And up front, you will see our reception area where you'll be greeted by two friendly faces who are here and ready to help you.
On the right, you'll also see in our reception area, we have tried and true products that are going to help you with your long-term health and wellness. We don't just recommend any old supplement. We don't just stock a bunch of stuff that we don't use. All of the things that we carry and recommend for you are things that we personally use and that have worked wonders for not only ourselves but our patients. There's also a large lending library up here as well, so that if you're looking for other resources, more research, more books, you can find them right here in our lending library.
Welcome to the area where all of the healing and all of the magic happens. We have a nice open area that allows you to get the best care, but also allows us to take care of you very efficiently and effectively, so you're not spending hours and hours here while you're healing.
On this side of our office as well, we have a waiting area if there happens to be a backup, and sometimes we get really busy in here. Don't let that deter you. It's a lot of fun. And we also employ some other rehab devices so that you can get the most out of your chiropractic care. So that's how we get really, really great results. All right, so what you'll find in this room is a bunch of different cool devices that are going to help you get the most out of your care, to make your adjustments last longer, to make them go easier in the beginning, to
Help your body heal, support what we're doing chiropractically with you. We are kind of health geeks, so when new things come out about techniques or devices that we can use to help further your health, then we employ them.
Yeah, so what you get used to in our office is that when you get used to something, then we'll add in something new, because that's
Always
what
change.
research supports, so we're always changing.
So this is the room where we'll find out what's happening with you, we'll get to know you and how to help you best.
What's also really important is that we're going to set some goals for you. What do you want from your health and wellness? Because it doesn't really matter what we want. All that matters to us is what you want and how we can help you get there. So in this room is where you will have your chiropractic exam and evaluation. We will use our hands primarily to get to the source of the problem that you came in for.
There's also on-site digital x-ray, so you don't have to go elsewhere to get the x-rays that we need to take in order to see what's going on the inside and how we can best correct your problem.
And once we're done with the exam and the x-rays, we'll be able to put together a plan to correct the problem. Not just make you feel good on the short term, but we really want to get you that long-term correction so that your problem doesn't come back.
So we look forward to seeing you soon.
Take care.